Hi, I'm Caden with Wildwood TV Lift Furniture, and I wanted to introduce you to the basic Brisbane TV lift cabinet. We're showing this Brisbane today in our English manor finish and with the optional soundbar cubby. Now, if you opt not to get the soundbar cubby, the false doors would just extend up the face of the cabinet. The Brisbane style is an easy style to love. It's a mid-century modern cabinet, clean lines, the recessed toe, but you still get that warmth that comes from the all-real wood that we use. Now let me show you how it works. There are two options to operate the cabinet. There's a simple remote, and there's also a rocker switch on the side of the cabinet here. So with a click of the button, the TV will drop back into the cabinet. With the TV hidden, it really showcases how beautiful this cabinet is. At Wildwood TV Lift Furniture, we believe that style should not be an afterthought. We want to create a piece that you would love to have in your home that elevates the aesthetics of your home while adding a lot of functionality. As with all of our cabinets, you get to choose the finish as well as the color of hardware that you would like on your cabinet. One important thing to note is that with the Basic and the Basic Plus TV lift cabinets, these are false doors. And so they look great, but they do not open. They're just for aesthetics. With the storage and the media console, they do open and provide some storage capacity. The Basic TV lift cabinet is designed to hold a TV up to a 50-inch. But we do have other options in the Brisbane style for TVs that are larger than that. As I mentioned, this cabinet has our optional soundbar cubby in here. Now, this soundbar cubby is a great option, obviously for soundbars, but also for a cable box or as just a display shelf for knickknacks and things like that. You can also see the two grommets in the back here for cord management, so your devices can still get in and connect with your TV without exposed wiring. I'm sure that I've left you with questions, so feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to help.